Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about the job notification from FSI, Forest Survey of India. And here is the total vacancies of 44 posts and the organization is Forest Survey of India. And the type of employment is central government job. And, and the location is all over the India. Based on the requirement, they give the job location for you if you are selected for the post. And the post name is Technical Associates. And apply mode is offline and online. If you want to choose the offline mode, you can happily choose the offline by the downloading the application from the website. I give the website link in the description. You go and check there. And if you want to apply on online, I also provided the link in description. You can check there. And the starting date for the application is 5/3/2021. That means 5th date March 2021 to last date 19/3/2021. And the details of vacancies is it is technical associate. In the educational details is the candidate must have passed graduation or post graduation or the equivalent from a recognized board for FSI recruitment and have the working knowledge of DIP and GIS. And the experience is at least 6 months experience in DIP, GIS, DIP or GIS related work in the forestry and other allied areas. And desired experience. Don't worry about the desired experience. You can happily apply if you don't have the desired experience. But you must have the essential experience and the educational qualification mentioned here. And the coming to required age limit. Minimum age is 18 while applying to this post and the maximum age is 30. And there is the age relaxation for the ST, SC and BC candidate so that they can apply maximum age limit of 35 for the SC, ST, OBC student. And the salary package. If we discuss about the salary package, it is up to 31,000 basic pay plus HRA. That means you can get the lump sum of nearly 40 to 50,000 at the starting stage of the job. And coming to the mode of selection, the selection is based on written test. You have the small written exam and you can get the merit list in the written exam. Then they conduct the small interview. Based on the performance of the interview, they will notify you that you are selected or not selected. In the detailed step for the applying of the offline mode, I will give the in description. You can go and check there. And the address for the offline mode for sending is POIPE, KAULARGARH Road, Dehradun, DEHRADUN dash 248195. Don't worry, I give all these details in the description. You go and check there. Instruction for the applying students. Students or anyone who seeking for the job. Before applying, candidates are advised to go to the instruction given the notice of the examination very carefully. You can get the state-wise forest department-wise station of the posting are. If you are selected for this job, you will get the job location in any of these mentioned 34 areas. Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Punjab, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Goa, Madhya Pradesh 2 post, Maharashtra 2, Andaman and Nicobar 1, Arunachal Pradesh 1, Assam 1, Bihar 1, Jharkhand 1, Manipur 1, Meghalaya 2, Mizoram 1, Nagaland 1, Odisha 1, Sikkim 1, Tripura, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Delhi, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh and FSI headquarters, Dehradun. and you want to be confirm that while you are filling the details, you must give the valid email address and the phone number so that you get notified for the each and every detail from the FSI. And if you are have any doubts, be free to comment below and I will give reply to all you people. If you don't subscribe this channel, please subscribe and all the best. Hope you luck follows you. Thank you.